Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the important session on leadership. Leadership is an important quality which is required in the present world. Leaders are the main reasons for the development of the organization, society, country and the world. I have found few examples on the leadership. Let us see on this one. First video we can observe here.
मौकों के छज्जों से लंबी सितार ये पहली उड़ान.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Thank you.
Tea?
Thank you, sir.
आज से ये चेयर तुम्हारी.
It's an honor, sir. But sir, इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी. पता नहीं स्टाफ मुझे पसंद करेगा कि नहीं.
Now from this video, you can observe the aspiring leader has the curiosity to learn the development of the organization there. He asked the question to the previous leader how to bring it or how to take the company ahead there. Now let us continue that video.
तुम उनका ख्याल रखोगे ना राहुल, तो वो तुम्हारा और कंपनी का ख्याल रखेंगे. Here's a good way to show you care. LIC's pension and group scheme. Pension, gratuity और retirement benefits आसानी से मैनेज करता है.
मतलब एम्प्लॉइज खुश तो कंपनी भी खुश.
Now from the second video, we can clearly understand how the aspiring leader comes to know the importance of an employee in an organization there, for the development of the organization or the country. Here the video was explaining about the importance of employees and the development of organization. Now let us see the second most important video, one of the great leader of our country, APJ Abdul Kalam ji. What he gives an example of a great leader and how he learned to become a great leader under the leadership of Mr. Chairman Satish Dhawan.
I will give an incident. This is all of you who have assembled here, all of you. Remember this incident. 1979, SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle, I was the project director, mission director. My mission is to put the satellite in the orbit. Thousands of people worked nearly 10 years. I reached the Sriharikota and it's in the launch pad. Countdown was going on. T minus 4 minutes, T minus 5 minutes, T minus 1 minute, T minus 40 seconds. Computer put a hold, don't launch it. Computer says don't launch it. I am the mission director, I have to take decision. Everything is on. Behind me there are 6 experts. They saw computer database coming in and screen, and they see the pictures in the screen. They said there's a problem. The problem is there's a leakage in the system, in the control system. But immediately calculation, no problem. We have got sufficient fuel and oxidation for control system. It controls the rocket to the required altitude, and we can go ahead. Now, of course, my expert's view, but I took the decision. Problem is mine. Finally, I took a decision. I bypassed the computer, I launched the system. Okay, I launched the system. This fellow went. First stage worked in a 4-stage rocket, and second stage got mad. It went to spin. Instead of putting the satellite in the orbit, it put in the Bay of Bengal. 1979, it was a failure. It was a failure. First time I experienced my failure. How do you manage the failure? Success I can manage. So at that time, a great man, a great leader, Professor Satish Dhawan, he comes to me, I am very tired working nearly for months. He wakes me up, come, let us go for a press conference. Press is meeting there, like this, number of people, world press, with photos, this and that, all the gadgets they are there. I was really frightened, I will be the culprit. Because I am the project director, mission director. What Satish Dhawan said, Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization said, dear friends, we have failed today. It's the first time I have to give all the success, all the failure is, I want to support my technologists and scientists and staff so that next year they succeed. So he took the whole blame himself. And then media asked, you have put Bay of Bengal so many crores, you have put it like that, lot of criticism. He received the criticism. He assured them in a year we will succeed with our team. It's a very good team.
In this video, we can see how APJ Abdul Kalam ji learned an important lesson from Professor Satish Dhawan, saying that a failure is taken up by the leader. And the further video we observe what is the second lesson, what he learns from that. Now let us see that.
Next year, here only interesting happened. Next year, July 18th, 1980, when he succeeded, Professor Dhawan said, you go and conduct the press conference. Do you follow what it means? It means when the failure occurred, the leader took it up. When the success came, he used his team. That's the first.
Our second lesson, what he learns from that particular leader, is that the success is given to the entire team, and how he motivates his team member or his subordinates to lead the success. That's how he brought up a great leader in his own quality there. In this way, Sir Abdul Kalam ji learned one of the important lessons from the Professor Satish Dhawan ji there. I hope you all like this video and learned the important quality what a leader should have. I think we have to build up this leadership quality in each and every individual there. Leadership is not leading an organization or a country. Leadership is leading your family, leading your friends, or leading the society. What is the important thing from this leadership we have to learn? There are so many. I have just concentrated on one of the important topic. I hope you like this video for your enhancement of the leadership skills. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.